In this video, I want to show you how you can convert your Emergent AI app into APK or iOS file so that you can deploy your app to Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So it's really easy, and we can do this actually in Emergent. So you need to have some app created, and then once you have your app, you need to deploy your app, which costs 50 credits per month, and then you will get access to iOS builds and Android builds. So I already have one app deployed here, so I will show you here. You can click on Get iOS Build or Android Build. So if you click on it, you want to click on Generate New Build, and then it will create the file. So I already created this Android build, so if I click on it, you just need to click on Generate New Build, and it will take like 20 minutes. Then you will get those two files. First one is APK, and the second one is AAB, so you just need to click on it, and it will start downloading those files automatically. So you can click on each one, and then once you have those files, you just want to click on this check mark if you don't know how to publish it. So firstly, you can test your app. You have step-by-step guide here from Emergent, and then you just want to create developer account or sign in to your existing account on Google Play Console. Then you will create new app in Play Console. So you will basically enter some details like app name, language, and you want to choose app bundle AAB as the upload format. So we will upload this AAB file. Then you will complete some store listing settings like descriptions, screenshots, app category, and many more. And then you can submit it for review. And once Google or Apple reviews your app, then you can publish it, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can download your APK or AAB file from Emergent. So keep in mind you need to have paid plan to be able to use those features, and also you need to have deployed your app, so it will cost 50 credits. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.